In year 4, we move away from using the number line method and we move to a more traditional method which we call the faces method. Now, to begin with, this method does look quite complicated, but the more the children practice this method, the more they understand it, and it does make more sense than the bus stop method that's used in year 6, which you can have a look at in the year 6 division video. So, for example, if we had calculation 72 and we were dividing that by 3, what we ask the children to do is to draw 3 circles, which we call faces. Alright, and we start off by saying the target number is 72. So what the children have to try and do is think of a number that they could put in each of those circles to get to close to 72 as they can. So they might think of putting 20 into each circle. So they write 20 into each circle, and when they add those up, they know 20, add 20, add 20 gives them 60. Now, as you can see here, I've used column subtraction. With the children being in year 4, they're not introduced to that method just yet. So if you look at the subtraction videos that were created in the other videos, they can use a method that's best suited to them. That might be the elastic band method, or it might be to do a number line method. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the column subtraction method. We start off with our units. We've got 2 units, take away nothing is 2, and 70, take away 60 is 10. This now becomes our new target number. So again, they've got to think of a number that can go in each circle or each face to get to the target of 12. So they might think, well, I'm going to put a 2 in each one of those circles. Again, we add them up, 2, add 2, add 2, they get 6, and they know to take that away. Now again, we don't want to tell them to do the traditional method of subtraction here, the column method, because they should be able to see the connection that 12 take away 6, well, I can do that in my head, I don't need to start exchanging tens. So we know that 12 take away 6 is 6, and that again becomes our new target number. What we can do again then is put another 2 in each one of those, and again add them up, 2, add 2, add 2 becomes 6, so they're left with nothing left. Now I've deliberately done this here where we have the 2 next to the previous 2. And what we do is we ask the children to put their each number that they think of underneath the last one. Otherwise, when they're adding these up later, they might get confused and think that that's 20, add 22, when it's not. It's 20, add another 2, add another 2. To get our final answer, we look at the numbers that are inside the circle, and we add those up. So they can see that it's 20, add 2, gives us 24. So the answer of 72 divided by 3 is 24.